how to clip in OBS Studio. So this will be really useful if you want to go and save replays of your gaming footage or something like that. Now to go and set this up, we just need to open up OBS Studio and click on settings in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on output from the left navigation, make sure that output mode is set to advanced and then click on replay buffer. Make sure to check the box next to enable replay buffer and you want to go and set the maximum replay time. Now this is really just down to personal preference. I'm going to set mine to 30 seconds and that means when I enable this feature, it's going to play us the last 30 seconds of recording. So like I said, this is really useful if you want to go and replay your game highlights or something like that. You can then click on the recording tab and go and set yourself a recording path. And this is where all of your clips are going to be saved to. Once you've done that, make sure to press apply and OK. You can then click back on the settings window, click on hotkeys from the left hand side, use the filter in the top left and search for save. And now you'll need to go and set up a hotkey for save replay. So I'm going to set mine up as F2 on my keyboard, but this is going to be the hotkey that you'll press in order to go and save your replay. Now, once you've done that, press advanced in the left hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says hotkeys and make sure this is set to never disable hotkeys and press apply and OK. Now in the right hand side, you'll see this new button here called Start Replay Buffer. And we can basically go and select this every time we start gaming, streaming or recording. And basically, when this replay buffer is turned on, it's going to allow us to clip our gameplay. So in order to go and save the last 30 seconds of footage, you can just press the F2 key or the hotkey that you set up. You can then go and press Stop Replay Buffer. And in order to go and find your clips, we can click on File in the top left-hand side, click on Show Recordings, and here you'll find all of your saved highlights and clips.